Yes, Massive Recruit, back once again with another video. And today we're going to talk about the Roland Bassline 303, TB303. This was a classic acid house, rave, bassline, instrument, arpeggio, just a monster of a piece of kit, man. And right now, these days, if you find one of these, a real one, you're looking at 500 quid plus to buy. You got this in the Roland Cloud, which it comes with, which I've got to big up as well, because I've literally just in the process of finishing up a little track here. I want to give you a demo of the sound of this beast. Once it's up and running, it gives you the full flavour of the real deal, man. So without further ado, let me get into it, give you a little demo. You've got the cut-off resonance here for the filter. You've got the cut-off frequency, sorry. You've got the resonance. You've got the mod. You've got the decay. You've got the accent. You've got lots of other features you can mess about with here. I haven't quite got into all this side of it yet. And shuffle. The only things what I say with this that's a little bit of a disappointment for me is the fact that I haven't found a way to automate anything. Renoise doesn't actually seem to pick up the automation on this thing here. As you can look here. Oh, wait a minute. No, Fab Fill. No. Scroll down. XLFO. What's that? Is a TB303 in there? Am I going mad? Let me see. Nah, you can see it's not in there, man. The TB's not showing in there. You know, hey, you can still do this all live. And this is what I did with this track. I've done it all live, and then I basically bounced it out. I fed the audio that you can hear straight out of Renoise. And I also didn't put the signal too hot going into the actual Adobe Audition. And I'll do another video on kind of levels and squishing the sound and stuff like that, because some of you guys have sent me demos and it is a little bit squished. So I want to do a video of some of you guys who don't quite understand the logic behind all that, and we'll come back to that in another video. Smash the like button if you want to see that. And anyway, guys, come on, smash that like button if you want to see more videos, if you want to see me putting out more content, because I'm always trying to bring you guys the stuff, and everything I do I'm trying to share it with you guys. So please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. And you know, when I see the results going up, it's good encouragement. It also helps the channel to grow, which makes its longevity, makes it stay here. Anyway, without further ado, we're gonna get into this. So guys, the 303 demo, as you say, it's got all the parameters that you possibly want. There's lots to experiment with. You've got your run, does stuff like this. Absolutely sick, man, and I love this kind of rave sound. And when you do this live over a tune, envelope mod, right, so I'm going to give you a demo of this now. Gnarly. Okay, so I'm going to give you a demo of this. So this next track that you're about to hear is a track that I did using my new retro tech sound font banks. Yeah, all of the sounds apart from the breakbeat and the vocals are done with the new retro tech sound banks. And I've also just got the 303 from the Roland Cloud and put that over the top of it. Right, so guys, so check it out. I'm going to give you a little spin through. Tell me what you think. I'm going to do a freestyle live over the top of it as well with this 303. So check it out, right? So I'll start it, because it doesn't have a kind of on and off feature. I have to do a little blank track at the beginning, and then I run the tune. So as you can hear, all the sounds are from my retro tech pack. I'll put a link in the description where you can get that. All using sound fonts. Nice little vibe here. For those of you who don't know what the sound fonts are all about, I'm using a software synth called SYNTHS, Sofranzo, and I've loaded my sounds into, they've got the JP there, look, JP6 pad on that one there. You've got the last trigger, you've got a little kind of belly sound, and then on this one, you've got the last trigger, whatever that is, log hit. So that was a judo sub playing there now. Right, check this. Let's go 303, people. You ready? This is what I love about the 303. It's a beast, man. Absolute beast. Here we go. Absolutely rocking. Wicked. TB303 business. Alright, check this out now. And cut it off there. So I've got all the timing right, you see. And that little breakdown that you heard earlier was where I sampled it, bounced it out, and then done a little effect on it, and then transposed it down with some effects. Jamming with the retro tech sound fonts there. Proper old school business. All kinds of music you could do with this. Jeez. Okay, get ready now. So right here, you see here with this little purple thing that's the breakdown that I've pre-programmed. I'll show you a little snippet of that. Hopefully we can get to see that. There we go. And let's go. Rip, let it rip. You can go absolutely crazy with this thing. Madness. So much to do on there. See, really and truly, you got pre-programmed. That's just the acid. Look. Wow, man, that is absolutely banging, man. So that's the Roland 303, endless possibilities. In there, you've got so much different presets and stuff you could mess about with. Experiment at your own risk, man. There's just tons in there, retro, old school. All I want to see with this is some automation business. I'll check this out in Cubase. If you want to see this Cubase, guys, smash that like button, subscribe. Let me see some mad subscriptions or at least mad likes on this video, and I'll do another one. So, guys, I hope you enjoyed it. That is it for today. Take care. God bless. Peace. Caught it popping really hard there, man. Ciao. Take care. God bless. Ciao.